Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a weigh-in day video, week 2 on Optavia. Back on Optavia, I should say, because if you've been watching me for quite some time, back in 2019, I believe, I took off over 50 pounds in 6 months on Optavia. And then I did really well and was training to do a fitness competition with a coach and got injured. Long story made short, COVID came. I was really sick with the original Delta. And basically after that, kind of really took a step back from the gym. Obviously things were closed and lockdown happened, and it has just really, you know, in looking back, I think that's really what created my lack of discipline, because I'm one of those people that do really well with discipline when things are structured, when things are laid out right in front of me. And that's why Optavia, I really believe it really was the key for me to be successful in weight loss. Make a long story short, I am trying to and have been trying to successfully be back on program, going through therapy, learning things about myself, learning things about eating disorders and food addiction and things like that. So here we are today in August of 2022. And I'm gonna show you another what I eat in a day video on the 5-in-1. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to you about my weight loss this week. And like we always used to do back in the day, drum roll, please. That is right, I am down just 1 pound this week, and I say just very lightly because 1 pound is great for me. If I can lose 1 to 2 pounds each week, I'm fine. That is how I lost my weight originally. The first week is always a big one, and then week after week after week, it was a steady decline of somewhere between 1 and 2 pounds every week for 6 months, except 2 weeks where I either maintained or gained a little bit. So what happened this week? This week was a little bit tough, I have to be honest. I found myself hungry. I had a barbecue with family here, so that made it a little difficult. Was able to do my lean and green, had a burger, had a little bit of salad on the side, but no carbs. And I didn't weigh my my burger or my salad. I just kind of eyeballed it. And I know I probably could have had extra. I don't think that if I would have weighed it out, I don't think it would have been enough, but it was like almost 100 degrees and really hot, and I became very involved with my family, so I wasn't thinking food. And then I put dessert out and actually did fairly well, didn't have any of the desserts. So I call that a successful week with the weight loss also. So I am down almost 5 pounds now in 2 weeks, great. Yesterday though, however, I indulged. I don't know what happened. The damn cookies are in my house in a cookie jar. Let me show you. This is what's left from the barbecue. Oatmeal raisin, sugar cookies, all of those good things. And so while my intention was to stay on plan, you guys know this, but last night I caved and I had 2 cookies. And I became mentally a prisoner in my own head, like, what the F? So anyway, I was happy to see that there was still a 1 pound weight loss, which I think would have probably been 2 pounds had I not eaten the darn cookies, because I swell up immediately when I eat sugary carbohydrates. With that being said, today it's close to 100 degrees here again. I have to get ready for work, and I'm about to have my first fueling. So I wanted to show you what I'm making behind me, and I'll take you throughout my day, okay? I will see you at fueling 2. Let's get going with fueling 1 though. Don't want to jump too far ahead.
Hey, I try my best to talk to you, tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I
So we're gonna head upstairs and get ready. I just wanted to show you a new addition to the house. I put this plant in the corner by the stairwell. See? I think it's cute. I got the pot here at Home Goods, and the plant was from At Home. So now that we're at home, let's go upstairs and get ready. All right, guys, so I'm off to work. I got dressed and forgot to film, but I'm still nursing this Mocha Blast shake, which was fueling number 1. It's hot as F outside. I just watered our flowers in the front. Probably can't see it because it's so sunny. So right now I'm headed to work nice and early. All right, I'll see you in the office. Hey guys, I had to make a detour because I spilled coffee all over myself, or my mocha shake rather. And I had to stop and get a shirt, so I went to Marshall's, found a cute little blouse. Anyway, I'll show you later. But in the meantime, it's now time for fueling 2. So I'm having the peanut butter chocolate chip bar, and it's melting because it's so hot out. Yum. Okay, heading back to work. See you later. All right, guys, so it's time for fueling 3. I'm going to attempt to make a shake here. I have a little shaker bottle. I don't have ice, so I wish I did. I'm thinking of getting another NutriBullet to keep here in my office. The only thing is I don't have a freezer full of ice. So I'm gonna have this for fueling 3, and I'll see you back for fueling 4. All right, guys, so I am gonna make this in my waffle maker. Sour cream and onion. I added just a little bit of water to the potatoes so that they're nice and thick. I'm gonna put it in the waffle maker and have this for my next fueling. Let's take a peek.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old.
Hey guys, all right, so we're home from work, and I am having for Lean and Green the Trader Joe's turkey burgers and outer aisle sandwich thins. And I did top it with a little bit of provolone cheese as a healthy fat, which technically I don't need on this, but I just wanted a little bit. I was super active today at work, so that is Lean and Green for tonight. That concludes a full day of eating as well as weigh-in day. And like I always say at the end of every video, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. And I mean it. I need you. I need each and every one of you. I appreciate you. If I haven't told you in a while, I appreciate you. Each one of you that sends messages, that sends comments to my Facebook group that if you're not a part of, get in there. It's called Keeping It Healthy with Feliciannurse. There's over 30,000 of us in there. I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you all for keeping me, in your thoughts, for booting me when I needed it, and just everything. I love you all. You're a part of me and will forever be. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.